Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper comes with a case. As you can already see, I have two boxes here because one is the big phone box and then this is the case box, and it depends if you've bought your phone with the case included or not. If you've bought it with the case included, it will come in this separate box. And now I'm gonna unpack it and show you how does it look. It also comes with a stylus. So let's open the box. And inside you get this case. Let's take out the styrofoam, and this is the case, and it has a pen at the bottom which you can click on, and then you can slide it out or put it back in. You don't need to charge this stylus, it just works with your phone. Now let's open the phone just to put it in the case. Here's the phone, as we can see, and then we can put it in very easily. It just pops right in. And now it's on. This is how it looks. And let's use the stylus. We can take it out. And now you can see that it works immediately. And we can use it to, for example, draw or write notes. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.